Gosh, I'm gonna have to get bifocals. This is bad. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Please ignore the chair squeak. It's getting close to giving out like any day now. Anyway, today I am super excited because the reasons. One is that we have a brand new box to the channel, which I am super duper excited about. It is the Kinder Beauty box. And two is that this video has been sponsored by Kinder Beauty. So thank you so very much to Kinder Beauty for sponsoring this video and being okay with a completely honest review. It is a 100% vegan and cruelty-free box, which is just a little bit different than things we typically do on this channel. And I'm very, very excited about it. I do get a lot of questions in the comments of different unboxings asking if the box is vegan and cruelty-free, but this one I can actually say is 100% vegan and cruelty-free. It is also eco-conscious. Well, I don't have a very difficult time pronouncing that. Conscious. Because the Kinder Beauty box itself is like made out of 100% recyclable and biodegradable materials. This box here is $24 a month with free US shipping. Gotta reach the... I got poked by tweezers. There's a million little box cutters in this thing over here, and this tweezers are what got me. Anywho, what was I saying? This box, if it ships free within the US. And if you guys like what is inside of this box, you can still sign up for the March box and receive it up until the 30th. It also comes with at least a $65 value. I have heard that next month is going to be even more than that, so that's exciting. All right, so here is the box. I think it's really cute. I like all the little leavies on it. Oh, and we have a plant here today. It's like a special guest for the box. There's smells coming from it. I don't know if that's from like the inside contents or just like the cardboard itself. All right, so this is what it looks like on the inside of the box. On top here, we have a little fold out, I'm guessing, of everything that is inside of the box, but I'm gonna save this till last. Yep. So I don't ruin any surprises. It looks very earthy and natural on the inside of the box. Oh, look at this. Little sticks. So these are like a bundle of fragranced sticks. I will definitely check on... Oh, I dropped one. I will definitely check on the little pamphlet there to see exactly what these do. But I think that was a smell that I was detecting from the outside of the box. Okay, next up in here, from like the feel of it, I'm assuming this is a bath bomb. I do like its cute little packaging. This is the Kind Poppy, which has all of the ingredients listed here on the back. Very simple ingredients, which is nice. So we have baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch, organic coconut oil, witch hazel, Epsom salt, essential oils, and flower petals. So here is the little bath bomb with the flower petals in it. Oh, the inside smells really nice. It does kind of have like a rosy-ish, flowery-ish scent to it, which I'm assuming is, you know, there's flower petals on top of it, so that makes sense. I haven't used a bath bomb in forever, so I am very excited to try this out. I feel like I've been talking a little quickly in this video. Very sorry about that. It's all the caffeine. Ooh, okay, next up, I'm actually very excited about this. This is from the brand 100% Pure, which made like my favorite primer for the longest time. It's still a really good primer, I just ran out of it. It was like a moisturizing, really natural primer, and it just made my skin feel really nice. But this is a maracuja oil mascara. And it says this is volumizing with black tea. And again, this is natural and vegan. Gosh, I'm gonna have to get bifocals. This is bad. That's where maracuja oil comes from? Passion fruit? I literally had no idea. Okay, it says maracuja oil from passion fruit mix for a luscious lash volumizing mascara formula that won't clump or flake, infused with lash conditioning vitamins and deeply pigmented by tea, cocoa, and coffee beans. Oh, more coffee, that's what I need. And there's no synthetic dyes in it. That's pretty cool. I don't think I've ever tried out a mascara like this. The outer packaging of this is really cute too. It's like a fun little, oh my, fun little tube. Just keeps going. And then inside we have the mascara, which is honestly really, really pretty. Wow. So here is the mascara tube. It is like shiny metallic, and it has these little engraved flowers into it. That's really pretty. All right, well, I have about 15 layers of other mascara on, but I guess another layer couldn't hurt. Something reflective. I need something reflective. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what this wand looks like. Ooh, it's nice and fluffy. Wow. I cannot pinpoint that smell, but it does smell different than regular mascara. And like I said, I already have 1.5 million coats of mascara on, but you know, not exactly the best test because it just blends right into the other mascara, but I don't see it adding like any additional clumping or anything. I can't stop smelling it. Why do I keep smelling it? So that is super duper interesting to me. I can't wait to give that a try when my lashes aren't already like stiffly coated. All right, next up in here we have a little cream, and this is a coconut cream shea butter. Ooh, this is from Farmhouse Fresh, or FHF. Oh, it says this nourishes dry hands and cuticles, and oh my goodness. If you guys could like really see my cuticles close up, you would be horrified. So I really hope that this does work. Stop focusing on the skull. Come over here. This is what the packaging looks like. It's like a pale blue, and apparently you get 2 fluid ounces of it. Oh, that smells so good. That was probably just a tiny bit too much. I like the smell of that though. I love coconut. I really like coconut. This is a very like thick moisturizing hand cream, but I really do hope it works for my cuticles. I've just been rubbing random oils on my hands and I don't think that's helpful. This CEO Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Oil, I don't think that's gonna help my fingers, but every now and then I put it on them. Oh, I guess I could have squirted it out of its actual little cap, but oops. It doesn't fully like sink in. It does leave your hands feeling like there's product on them, so it might take a while for things to actually sink in. Alrighty, the next product we have here is from Eve Hansen. This is Beauty the Natural Way, an antioxidant infusion sheet mask. The front of this is super pretty, like nice springtime looking with like citrus and flowers. Oh, on the back it says leveraging the healing powers of spinach, citrus, and red wine. This is supposed to dramatically reduce skin redness, soothe UVA sun damage, noticeably improve skin elasticity, and rejuvenate and nourish. I really got to get to use my sheet masks. The sheet mask little graveyard up there is just, it's growing every day. Yep. And then the very last thing we have in here is the Botanical Steam from Washington Square. This is rose petals, lavender buds, and calendula flowers. Okay, so this is a facial steam. I do like its cute little container. The bottom of this is plastic and then we have like a metal top. Oh, that's really cute. 5% of the purchase of this item will be donated to dog rescue organizations. Oh, I like that. But this is a steam for your face. So it says bring 4 cups of water to a boil, place 1 to 2 tablespoons of the blend in a large bowl, and then pour the steaming water over it. And then you're supposed to create like a little tent for your head over the bowl with a towel, and you breathe deeply and let it steam your face. This is the second facial steam I've received in the past couple of months. And of course, we still harken back to That's So Raven because that's the only reference point I have. Wow. Oh wow, that is like intensely scented, but I don't really see anything else in here besides organic roses, organic lavender, and organic candela. So I don't think there are any other ingredients besides those things. They're just like super duper scented. So there is, oh my gosh, a whole flower just fell out. There is the little blend there and a couple of tablespoons of this. You probably get a few uses if you don't spill it all over the floor. Alright you guys, so I'm going to finally open up this little pamphlet here, which is actually really cutely laid out. I like that. And I'm going to read off the prices of all the items inside the box so we can get an idea of like this month's can't talk. So we can get an idea of this month's value. So the first thing we have here is the Franklin and Whitman. Oh, I said it was Washington Square. My bad. This is from Franklin and Whitman and it is $22. Then we have the coconut cream shea butter hand cream from Farmhouse Fresh, which is $15. The Kind Poppy Bath Bomb, there it is, which is lavender or rose hibiscus. I think I got the rose hibiscus. Pretty sure. Bad with scents, but I think that's what it is $6.50. Oh, they're also handmade, which is really nice. Oh, I forgot about the sticks. Then we have the Soul Makes Planto Stanto Wood Stick Bundle, and this is also known as Holy Wood. It's said to increase relaxation, bring joy and harmony into the home. Oh, okay, so apparently you can either light these or just like place them around. They do have a really nice scent to them. The little bundle is $4.50. Then we have the Eve Hansen sheet mask, which does not currently have a price on my little pamphlet here, so I won't include that in the total value of the box, but it's like an extra little item. And then we have the Maracuja mascara, dark chocolate or black tea. Oh, okay, so I got the black tea version. Apparently there is a dark chocolate version, which which sounds real interesting to me. I might have to actually check that out. I bought some dark chocolate yesterday and I wanted to go like real dark with it, so I got an 85% like organic, 100% something fancy dark chocolate, and honestly it tasted a tidbit like dirt, but I still kind of like it. Oh, anyway, the value of this little guy here is $26. Ice cream calculator, and we'll get to adding up some prices. Oh, okay, so the total retail value of our box, excluding the little sheet mask here because it didn't have a price, is $74, if you would focus, $74. So the box itself was $24 and you're getting $74 worth of value. When it comes to subscription boxes, you really have to see like where the value is for yourself. Are you going to get a lot of use out of these things? Do you like the message behind it? All that kind of stuff. There are some things in here that I'm not sure if I'm going to get a whole lot of use out of. I will put the little sticks around, plus I just kind of think they're cute. But you know, it's something I probably wouldn't purchase on my own. I really like the hand cream. It's making my hands feel very, very soft. I can still kind of feel like the shea butter on them, but at least they feel nice and moisturized. I'll definitely use the bath bomb. I'm actually looking forward to a bath night with that. And I think my favorite thing in the entire box was the mascara. I really liked the brand 100% Pure when I was trying out that primer, so I'm really hoping that this is a very good mascara. Very excited to try it out when I don't have already on 2 other mascaras. So I think this was a pretty interesting, unique box to test out. I feel like this would be a fun gift for somebody, especially somebody who's into like, oh, there's something in my eye. Oh, very sorry about that. Especially somebody who is into like items like this, very natural, eco-friendly kind of things. So yeah, I definitely think this was a very fun box to test out. I do have a link for you guys if you would like to check out the box. You can look at that link down below in the description. That is an affiliate link. I just want to go ahead and let you guys know that. But I would also love to know all of your all's thoughts and opinions about this box. I know that some of you guys were asking me to try it out in the comments, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you guys would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful, lovely, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye! I gotta relax on the espresso.